Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble paper squishies. First, gather your essential supplies. You will need 2 identical paper designs, which will form the front and back of your squishy. Also, grab some clear packing tape or a laminator to make your squishy durable and sealable. Don't forget scissors for cutting, a straw for inflation, and optional soft stuffing like cotton or foam for extra squishiness. Now, let's create the outer shell of your squishy. Take your 2 paper designs and carefully cover both sides of each with clear packing tape, ensuring no air bubbles. If you have a laminator, that's an excellent alternative for a smooth, durable finish. Once taped or laminated, precisely cut out your squishy shapes, leaving a small, consistent border of about 1/4 inch around the entire design. Next, we'll seal and inflate your squishy. Align your 2 taped or laminated cutouts perfectly. Using more clear packing tape, carefully seal 3 of the 4 sides together, creating a pocket and leaving one side completely open. Insert a straw into this opening and gently blow air to inflate your squishy to your desired puffiness. Quickly remove the straw and immediately seal the final open side with tape to trap all that air inside. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and enjoy your creation. Double-check all 4 edges of your squishy to ensure they are completely sealed with tape, preventing any air from escaping. Trim away any excess tape to give your squishy a clean and professional look. Now, your bubble paper squishy is complete. Gently squeeze it, feel the satisfying air bubbles, and enjoy your unique handmade toy. It's a fun and easy craft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.